Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to run command prompt as an administrator in Windows 10. When you open command prompt as an administrator, you gain elevated privileges that allow you to perform administrative tasks and execute commands that require administrator permissions. This includes modifying system files, accessing restricted directories, and executing commands with elevated privileges. To get started, go into the Windows Start bar and type in Command Prompt, and right-click on the Command Prompt application and select the option for Run as Administrator. Command Prompt will now open up with administrator privileges applied. And it's as easy as that. Running Command Prompt as administrator is a simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.